Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles, and today I'm going to be announcing the winners of the giveaway. So coming in at third place and winning a microphone is one of my friends actually. His name is Joe, so I'm going to DM him. Here's his @ if you guys want to follow him, Joe BXC. And the second winner of the microphone is, because I got two of them, is Aiden, either Hodel or Hodel, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I've been following this guy for a long time and he's been following me too. He's a really great photographer, shoots on the same camera as my original one, the Sony A7, and he's great. So here's his @ if you guys want to follow him, and I'll be contacting him soon also. And now the winner of the big camera, the medium camera, the #1 winner. So I'm pretty sure this account, somebody made this account literally just for giveaways or something, because they have 0 posts, but I don't know, I never made a rule against that, so it's fair. It's called John Martin 950, and so yeah, I will put that @ up too if you guys want to see it right here, but there's nothing there. So but yeah, those are the winners. If you guys like these giveaways, comment below and follow my Instagram and let me know in my Instagram if you want us to do more giveaways like this, and we'll be giving away more and more stuff. I'm happy to do it. It's awesome. It's fun giving back to people. And yeah, if you guys like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider checking out some of our other videos. Stay tuned for more giveaways in the coming future in our next milestones. So yeah, see you guys next time.
At a Clippers game on the court side, watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, ride.